Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best hand emulsifier is probably one of the most versatile kitchen tools you can own, seamlessly blending soups, sauces, and smoothies with ease, and its compact size makes storage a breeze. Today, we will explore what makes a great hand emulsifier blender, helping you pick the perfect one for your culinary needs, and I'll share some tips and tricks to get the most out of your purchase. Number 5. Mueller Immersion Blender. Tired of lumpy smoothies and soups? This powerful immersion blender makes quick work of mixing, blending, whisking, and frothing. Its slim design is easy to handle, and the detachable accessories make it incredibly versatile. It comes with 3 fantastic attachments: a stainless steel blending shaft, a frother for milk, and a whisk for whipping cream or batter. Everything you need for perfectly smooth creations. This blender packs a punch. The turbo mode gives you extra power when you need it, and the ergonomic grip ensures comfortable blending. Plus, the splash-reducing blade housing keeps your kitchen clean. Simply attach the desired accessory, plug it in, submerge the blade, and blend. Adjust the speed to your liking. It's that simple. Cleanup is a breeze. The blending shaft, whisk, and frother are all dishwasher safe, saving you time and effort. What we like? It has multiple attachments for versatile use. The turbo mode ensures powerful blending. If you need a powerful and versatile blender that's easy to clean, this is the one for you. What people say? It's simple to use, with multiple speed settings that provide excellent control. The powerful motor blends ingredients smoothly and consistently, whether it's beans or homemade applesauce. What I love most is its versatility. Interchangeable attachments make it suitable for various tasks, and the fact that it's dishwasher safe makes cleanup a breeze. It's also well designed and sturdy, offering reliable performance every time. The power button is much easier to press. Speed and power are spot on. The handle feels good in the hand, not too heavy or difficult to grip. It feels like it will last for quite a while. Number 4. Betty Crocker BC 1303 CK Hand Blender. This sleek and ergonomic hand blender is designed for ease of use and comfortable handling. Its contemporary style makes blending a breeze. With its powerful motor and sharp stainless steel blade, it effortlessly blends, chops, purees, and minces ingredients. Prepare delicious smoothies and creamy soups in seconds. It features a unique 2-speed selection with pulse control, allowing you to adjust the settings for any task. Take control of your culinary creations with precision. The stainless steel blade and detachable shaft are dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. Maintenance is quick and simple. This amazing hand blender comes with a free 600 ml mixing beaker, perfect for creating and storing your culinary masterpieces. Enjoy the convenience and versatility. It's more than just a blender, it's your new favorite kitchen tool. Upgrade your cooking experience today. What we like? Its ergonomic design makes blending comfortable. The 2-speed settings offer precise control. If you are looking for a stylish and easy-to-use blender with a bonus beaker, this is a great option. What people say? 2 blending speeds, a detachable blade stem for easy cleaning, and a nice graduated clear plastic tumbler, perfect for making shakes or smoothies. It blends so well and quickly too. I use it to puree soups, mashed potatoes, and more. The blade attachment is removable, so you don't have to worry about immersing the electric part. You can just wipe that end down with a cloth. Number 3. Braun MQ5025 Hand Blender. It's designed for effortless speed adjustments. Experience 21 distinct speeds plus a turbo boost for superior blending, chopping, and pureeing. With its one-handed design, you can easily adjust the speed. It gives you complete control over your blending experience. This innovative technology features ultra-hard stainless steel blades and a unique bell shape. It reduces suction and draws food inward for incredibly smooth results. The powerful, German-engineered motor is perfectly balanced. This ensures smooth, comfortable operation and long-lasting performance. Its unique design virtually eliminates splashing. Enjoy mess-free blending and easy cleanup. Switching attachments is a breeze. With just a click, you can easily change between blending, chopping, whisking, and more. What we like? It offers precise speed control for various tasks. The Power Bell technology ensures smooth blending. If you value precise speed control and a splash-free experience, this is perfect for you. What people say. Unique design of the housing around the blade ensures it does not splatter. Very easy to clean with an easily removable attachment. Emulsifies nicely and makes them velvety smooth without adding a ton of air. Works just as beautifully for dressings, marinades, pureed soups, etc. Excellent power, detachable blade section makes for easy cleaning. Design prevents excessive splashing, which is great if you need to use it on hot liquids that are already cooking. Number 2. GE Immersion Blender. It's a high-performance immersion blender. With 500 watts of power, it effortlessly blends smoothies, shakes, sauces, and purees. This versatile hand blender features 2 speeds. It's simple to clean and use, making blending food and drinks a breeze. It's designed for easy one-handed operation. You can effortlessly add ingredients while blending. It comes with stainless steel blending accessories. You can blend smoothies or chop vegetables with ease, even catching the smallest bits of herbs and spices. This immersion blender includes a whisk attachment. It's perfect for beating eggs, whipping batters, and more, and it's easily removed for quick cleanup. Cleaning is a snap. The interchangeable attachments make cleanup quick and easy. What we like. This blender is powerful and efficient. The dual speeds allow for versatile blending. If you need a powerful, easy-to-use blender for one-handed operation, consider this option. What people say. I used the long attachment inside a big smoothie container. It blended frozen fruit, protein powder, milk and even tiny, hard flax seeds into a smooth mix in less than 30 seconds on the low setting. Nothing I've ever used has been able to do that. More powerful than the previous immersion blender I've had for a decade. I use the immersion blender a lot for sauces and soups. I also sneak vegetables and pasta sauces for my kids with this. The immersion blender is so helpful when making sauces and when canning. I love that it has interchangeable parts that help with other tasks without getting out a big mixer. Number 1. Braun MultiQuick MQ9037. This innovative hand blender is designed to make food preparation easier and more efficient. It's packed with features to help you create delicious meals and smoothies with ease. It features a unique flexible shaft that moves the blade up and down, ensuring smooth and flavorful results every time. Say goodbye to chunky bits. This blender is engineered with advanced splash control, keeping your kitchen clean while you blend. Enjoy mess-free blending. The Power Bell Plus boasts an extra milling blade for superior performance. It effortlessly handles large pieces and hard ingredients. Quickly and easily switch between attachments. Blend, chop, whisk, mash, and puree, all with a simple click. Effortlessly adjust the blending speed with a simple squeeze of a button. The Smooth Start feature prevents any sudden jolts. It comes with a 20-ounce BPA-free beaker, a stainless steel whisk, a masher, and a 2-cup chopper. Everything you need for perfect results. What we like. The unique active blade technology provides superior blending. The splash control keeps your kitchen clean. If you want the best blending results with easy attachment changes, this is the ultimate choice. What people say. It does look beautiful. The shape and the flexible shaft allows you to get amazing results at a price. The blender has 2 buttons. The one on the very top is to unlock and be able to use the blender. It goes from red to green when you push it. Then you can use the trigger to blend. The trigger is absolutely awesome. Perfectly made, it gives you total control, so easy to use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.